Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela. Director General of Police Meghalaya, LR Bnai, mentakas ni ke arpulai terik unailur arhajar arpuar, penlong ke jingya kendo, bat kilat patai kubor, ban batai halor ke jingya okem drog, bat capang ki kali, bala syatu hakini ki kendiat Bnai ki bala dem. Habayakran bekinong patai kubor, Bnai ulayatho, bakatanat Pulit ke jela kalanang penklanyi ki bor Pulit, batru lanang pentebet ya ki rokom trekam jongka, kenang baon la bante lakam, ya ke jing jelai ke jing kayi ya udrok ha Meghalaya. Utay uhe Pulit ulayatho ru, bahakini ki saub Bnai ki bala dem, ki Pulit ki layo ban Kurup Kumba khat pra point lai klur ke Pisa, bat layo kemru ya shispa lai pusaungut ki badan kti hakikam kai drong. Lalap ru ba na ki khat ar tali ki district jong ke jela Meghalaya pra tali ki dei ki baka jing kai bat shalan yu drog kalong ka baklan hado kata.
The recovery of stolen vehicles during last few months. You might have noticed that we have waged a war against the drugs throughout the length and breadth of Meghalaya. We are concentrating on our strategy, simultaneously creating awareness against drug abuse in the urban as well as rural areas, and also we have strengthened our enforcement drive against the drug traffickers. So during last 2 days in the East Khasi Hill districts, we have recovered nearly 400 grams of heroins, and 2 motorbikes and 1 vehicles, and cash nearly 5.5 lakhs during last 2 days. But I wish to share some figure with you for last 4 months, June, July, August and September till today. During last 4 months, the Meghalaya police has recovered 3 kg 62 gram heroin, 4,500 kg ganja, 150 gram opium, 145 bottles of cough syrup, 11,902 tablets of methamphetamine, and the total cost in the illegal market of these drugs is 18 crore 33 lakh. So you can say that during last 4 months, the Meghalaya police has recovered drug worth value 18.33 crore rupees. So this is a huge recovery, and for this credit should go to all the district police and the anti-narcotic task force as well as special branch for timely collection and dissemination of intelligence. Along with the drugs, during last 4 months, we have recovered 31 vehicles. Mostly the vehicles are the small and medium-sized vehicles. These 31 vehicles also include 4 number of trucks. We have also recovered 90 number of mobile phones, and most of these were smart or Android phones. We have also recovered 1 arms and few rounds of ammunition and daggers. Our cash recovery total from the drug traffickers as on today till today for last 4 months stands 24.22 lakh. 24 lakh 22,311 rupees to be exact. We have recovered these drugs and registered 48 number of cases during last 4 months, and we have arrested 134 accused during last 4 months. Out of these 134, 125 are male and 9 are female. Out of these 134 accused, 123 accused belongs to Meghalaya state and 11 accused belongs to outside Meghalaya, mainly Assam, Manipur and Arunachal. This indicates that the drug traffickers are working as interstate gang. Out of these 134, the total accused, 5 number of accused are those who are repeated offenders. They have been committing crimes repeatedly. So booking them under PIT NDPS Act is under process. We have noted that out of 12 districts of Meghalaya, most of the drug trafficking is taking place in the 8th district, that is the East Khasi Hill district, West Khasi Hill district, Southwest Khasi Hill district, East Jaintia Hill and West Jaintia Hill districts, Ribhoi, and then West Garo Hill district and South Garo Hill districts. Out of 48 cases, 50% cases are registered in the East Khasi Hill districts. The next highest registration is in the West Garo Hill district, that is a Tura, and the third is the East Jaintia Hill district, that is a Cleriat, and next is the Ribhoi districts and the West Jaintia Hill districts. So this kind of analysis help us to concentrate as far as the crackdown against drug traffickers is concerned in these 8 districts. The 4 districts which have not registered a single case in under NDPS or the drug trafficking case are East-West Khasi Hill districts, that is a Mairan, East Garo Hill district, that is William Nagar, North Garo Hill district, that is Resugelpada, and Southwest Garo Hill districts, that is Ampatti. So there are total 76 police stations in Meghalaya. Out of that, 18 police stations have shown registration of NDPS Act cases. So we will concentrate on these 18 thanas comparatively more than other thanas, so that to break the supply chain of the drug traffickers.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.